Careful.
Okay.
Okay, you help Kenny.
Hey Delana, hey guys, can you hear me now? Hello? Alright, Stellar Burst Sampler. Perfect.
Oh, Ron,
sorry guys. Sorry. I don't know what happened. Technical difficulties. Everybody come back. Come back. Hey Janelle, if you guys could sprinkle the love, I would appreciate it. I'm so sorry we gotta go. We're doing so good. Oh, we're back. So guys, now that you can hear me, if you guys want anything, is pinned down below, and it's the featured link now. So hopefully there's no issues and the link works. But you guys can use code KatieHart for 25% off. We are celebrating getting out of the month of October. Hey Carol, hey Delana. That's so weird, Leah. Oh, it's happening to other lives too, says Beth. That's so weird. Hey Shelly. Hey Jim Marie. Hello. I'm so glad you guys can hear us now. Alright, next is Phyllis Diaz. Alright, Phyllis Diaz. Laffy Fluffer Sampler. Skittle.
No, Sterling!
What did you do?
Jolly Fluffer.
Oh God, what did you do?
That's how I'm taking him over there. Where is it? Bring it back!
I see it. Are you helping?
What did he do?
He's taking the bags and putting them in the bin.
Sterling's still in packages. Hey Liza, hey Jesse, hey Sydney, hey Elizabeth. Sterling's helping. He's grabbing the packages and like putting them in the other room. That's too cute. Hey Sonia, hey Petro, hey guys, hello. Welcome on in everybody. Yes, if you order today, you will get it before Christmas. The deadline is the 10th. So as long as you order before December 10th, you will be getting it before Christmas. Hey Jenny, hey Loretta. Alright, next is Candy H. Candy H, thank you for your order. Stellar Burst Sampler. Skittles Sampler. Laffy Fluffer. And then Jolly Fluffer. Ow.
Well, if any orders disappear, it ain't my fault.
Yeah,
You got to search the house after.
Hey Sherry, hey Loretta.
This one's too big.
Leah says,
Grab me a
when will
large.
the stockings be available?
Grab me a large Jolly Rancher. I'm just going to include this one because this was a deemed lost one, so we're going to give him a better shot.
Okay. Thank you, Stephanie, for sprinkling the love.
I would
Hey,
definitely
Bridget,
say
hey,
tonight,
Jessie.
if it all pans out
Hello.
properly, just run all of them apples.
Do what?
I would just run all of them apples tonight.
Really?
Because we're always so behind.
Oh,
Like,
really?
fish.
That's so weird.
How is he
Facebook's
made
doing
about
that. Hey, Brittany. Hello. Alright, next is Stellar Burst.
Yeah. I could do a whole thing of apples.
Maybe like the fiver and then the large, so we
Okay.
get them moved out of it.
Because they don't all cook. The thing is with apples, if you don't put them on different shelves, they don't cook.
Alright, well, maybe just do as many as we
The
can.
middle ones.
Well,
The three
new
middle
one,
on each.
the new one is still like that too? Or is the new one?
Yeah,
better?
no, it won't cook on the top two shelves.
Okay,
they just,
we'll
they
just-
stay small.
Okay.
So I'll
Good
do all the
morning,
middle
Erica.
shelves.
Good morning. Hey, Tracy. Hey, Jenny. Welcome on in, everybody. How are you guys doing? Guys, don't forget to use my code. We are celebrating getting out of the month of October with orders. So you guys can use code KatieHart to save 25%.
Just so you have a little more.
Hey Heather, hello, hello. And the link is pinned. It's also the featured link. But yeah, guys, use code Katie Hart for 25% off. And if you order, comment below. That way I can shout you out. Hey Maria, hello, hello. All right, next is Susan M. Susan M.
You're gonna see a snake in a minute, okay? You just have to be good if you want to see the snake.
Sorry, what did you say about the stockings? People are asking.
Next, we're gonna have, they're for Black Friday.
For Black Friday, Jess will be doing the stockings. But if you want some extra stuffers for those stockings, today only 25% off with code Katie Hart. Yes, we ship worldwide. So Canada,
you're gonna
England,
see the snake.
Ireland, wherever. Hey Darlene, hey Beth. Alright, next is Susan M. Stellar Bird Sampler. Nerd Popper Regular.
We're
running out of candy.
lollipop.
All right, I'll do all the middle shelves of every machine today.
Alright, Susan M.
What?
Oh my god.
What's not
Beth
there?
says my cousin just texted me to find out where to get the candy we had in my house.
Oh,
It's too
good.
funny. Well, you know what to get him for Christmas now. You just got your order yesterday. That's awesome, Donna. Hey, Mary. Hey, Phyllis. Hello, hello. Welcome on in. All right, Jolly Fluffer regular. Times 2. Times 3. And then a sour Skittle.
Yeah, I put like 20 in there, so.
Oh, that's awesome, Beth. Thank you so much. Thank you for spreading the word. Hey, Amy. Hello, hello.
So you have less to do.
Haley. All right, Brandy B. Skittles regular. Jolly Fluffer regular. Laffy Fluffer regular. Peach Ring regular. Air Noggin regular. Cool. Oh, that's awesome, Phyllis. Hey, Maran. Hey, Tamara. Hey, Nancy. Hello, hello. Guys, if you could sprinkle the love, that would be awesome. Let's try to get back up to 300.
Jess, did you get 4 UPS
Sandra.
boxes?
We had 300 people before
Did you
my
get
whole
4
sound
UPS
issue.
boxes?
Oh, I didn't count.
All right, next is Tina. Tina got
Some UPS in here.
Nerd Puffer Sampler. And then Jolly Rancher regular.
I see 3. Go, the deliveries of the candy. Did you get one more?
Hey Sandra, hey Nancy, hey Laura, hey Candace.
Oh,
I got my 4 bags and a double caramel pops yesterday, plus my other 4 bags of candy. I'm having a hard time limiting myself. Oh my gosh, they are so good. There's something about freeze-dried candy that just like hits different because it's like crispy like a chip. So I think that's why it's so addicting, but then also melts in your mouth. It is so, so good. You're going to get more childhood protein powder soon. Thank you so much, Amy. Hey, Sharon. Hey, Chanel. Hello, hello.
So,
All right, next is Khmer P. Khmer P. Stellar Burst. Regular. Laffy Fluffer. Regular. And then 2 Jolly Rancher regulars. Thank you, Khmer. Hey, Lindsay. Hey, Charlene. Hello, hello.
here.
Welcome on in, everybody. How are you guys?
Yeah,
Hey,
it'll just
Connie.
really depend on what he ends up getting.
All right, next is Christina C. Christina C. Stellar Burst regular. Sour Skittles regular.
Are any of these completed?
No.
Or these are all indeed?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to slide them over here. I just need Kenny's bag in it, so.
Regular. Jolly Fluffer regular and Peach Sampler. Hey Catherine, hey Julie, hey Pat. Welcome on in. Alright, Jessica S. Jessica S. Hey Julie, hey Catherine. Alright, Sour Worm Sampler.
Yeah.
It's always like when they're right in front of my face that I
Miss
can't
it.
do them. Welcome on in, everybody. Alright, peach ring sampler. Classic fluffer. Jolly regular.
What happened to the movie?
I muted it.
Oh.
Really, Jessie? Oh my god, that's too funny. She just got a bunch of her candy, and then she just got her other 6 bags yesterday.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Melissa. Alright, next is Haley S. Stellar Burst Sampler. Sour Worm Sampler. Skittles Sampler. And Nerd Sampler.
Alright, I'm gonna get the other machine ready.
This one you might be able to finish.
Okay. Lori T. Alright, Skittles Sampler. Nerd Sampler. Stellar Burst Sampler. We're missing the nerds on that one.
Oh, we're out of samplers? Okay.
Yeah. Hey Terry, plus you have your 2
okay, we
monthly
can do that
boxes. Oh my god, Jess. You're gonna be set up for Christmas with all the candy.
Mommy.
Hey Lauren.
Okay, we can do these 2, and these can be small bags.
Alright, next is
That one.
Michelle N.
Oh, we can do this one. You're gonna see the snake, baby. Hold on. I just have to get Katie set up for success, okay?
Is shipping expensive in the boxes?
It's
what
what
it
it
is.
is.
Yeah.
That would be the best way to say it. It is exactly what it is.
Yeah.
What it should be, at least.
Okay, guys, I just ordered again and got my Xmas stocking stuffers for the family. Thank you so much, Liz. Thank you so much.
Okay, try these ones real quick and see if we can actually complete those ones.
Okay.
Alright, these are all missing something, right?
Yeah.
See if we can.
All right. Maria R. Stellar Burst regular. Jolly Fluffer regular. Good to go. Cara H. Sour Worm Sampler. Caramel Lollipop. Jolly regular. Hey Jordan.
Is that one
Hey
good?
Patience.
Good?
Yep. Jordan, I'm not even
Give me a
moved
second.
in. We move in on the 17th, and then we'll do a pre-furniture house tour, and then an after furniture.
I'm gonna show. I
one.
promise. Let me just get these packaged, and I'm gonna show you the snake. Okay, Sterling?
All right, Rita T. Sour Skittle Sampler.
You want to see the snake?
So first,
No. I'm gonna get the snake. I'm gonna help you with the snake. Okay? Just let me get these.
hey Michael.
Is that missing something?
Yeah. Sour Skittle Sampler. Air Noggin Sampler. Skittle Sampler.
Is that one good? Are they all samplers?
P. Yeah. Next is Jessica P. Yeah, we're getting out all the orders today. Hey Priscilla, hey Lisa. Thank you, not bad for a flat rate. I'm getting ready to place my order. Thank you so much, Judy. Don't forget to use code Katie Hart for that 25% off. Hey Tammy, hello, hello. All right, Jessica P. Stellar Burst Sampler. And then Skittles Sampler.
Can I borrow that tape, Sterling?
Hey Michelle.
Is that one good?
No. Stellar
Oh,
Burst regular.
great.
Jolly regular.
Alright, for all the samplers.
Yeah. Skittles regular.
Hey, save if you. I put these smaller boxes up, so if you can put them in the smaller. Is that one good?
No. I know, Kayla. 3 days. I ordered twice, and shipping was $10 for multiple bags. It's a packing. It's packaged nice. You don't want the candy to turn into dust. Yeah, freeze-dried candy is kind of fragile, but it's also
That's why we box it.
yeah, that's why we box it. But it's so good.
Alright, I'm just gonna.
Patience, we're working on October, and after
I'm gonna show
today,
you the snake.
October
Give me a second.
will be done. So I don't think it's done yet.
Well, give us like a couple days because we are still making it. So if your tracking doesn't update by like Thursday or Friday,
Well, she was asking
then-
for November.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I know that one. We're not on November yet. Hey Zeke, hey Crystal. But to celebrate getting out of October, you can use code Katie Hart for 25%
I'll
off.
show you guys. All we have left from October though, this is the 28th that I just did a promo for. And then this, which is very, very little.
Katie, can you pass me that open box of caramel apples?
I'm going to show you the snake in a minute. I'm just doing these.
Gracias.
All right, I'm adding, I'm going to add 3 to your list, which might be...
Yes, fluffer. Hey Cindy, hello, hello. Hey Shannon. Hey Maggie.
The math ain't math. I'm getting us ready for the snake.
Oh, awesome, Beth. Hey Robin. All right, next is Teresa R.
So I got to get us all in a nice spot for him, okay?
Oh, where?
The snake is
I'm gonna
here.
put that one to the side. Becky G. Laffy Fluffers.
The snake is broken? Oh, my
Skittles
goodness.
Sampler. Jolly Fluffer Sampler.
Let me just finish up with Katie. I'm going to pull out the Mr.
Hey
Snake,
Kelly.
okay?
Then Liz, yours is on the way. Hey Nicole, hello, hello.
Okay, start. The snake is waking up.
Next
from a
is
nap.
All right, you want
Brenda.
the snake? Come sit with me. Come here. Come here.
Stellar Burst. Sampler. Skittles.
Come here.
Hey Deborah, hey Nicole, hello, hello.
Do you want to see the snake? Do you want to hold it?
No problem, Liz.
Come here.
It's just a huge order that she said she...
Come here. You want to hold the snake? Come right here. Did I get it?
Oh, okay, patience. Yeah, but,
Hold the snake. Come here.
yeah, we're doing December right now, but I'll ask Jess.
All right. So
Hey
it's
Linda, hey
nice to do
Bobby.
that. Okay, problem solved.
All right, next is Mary.
Come here.
Aaron Ogden Sampler.
Pet the snake?
Skittle Sampler. Go. Hey April, hello, hello. Bonnie, I have no idea. You guys can see I've been going through orders. I do not memorize the names. Hey April, hey Shelby. The best thing to do is to check your email and see if you got your tracking. Hey Kimberly. Alright, next is Tina C. Laffy Fluffers. And the caramel apples. Yeah, you'll get an email. Thank you, Monica, for the stars. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Next is Candy R. Oh, this is her second order that I packed today. Ooh. Thank you so much, Candy. Stellar Burst regular. Nerd Puffer regular. And then Skittles regular. Thank you, Candy R. Hey Amber, hello, hello. Yeah, free tried candy is so good, guys. My favorite is the Nerd Ropes and the Skittles.
You want to see him? So come here. You have to be very calm. You have to be a big boy, okay? Have you ever seen this snake before?
All right, Tamara O.
Okay, we need you calm for the snake, okay? Here. Here, come here. Very carefully, go like this. Here, go like this. I'm going to pull him out.
My cousin said don't order it from Amazon. No, on Amazon it is so freaking expensive. Hey Anne Marie, hello, hello. All right, next is Kristen F.
I got it.
I'll put this to the side. Hey Amy, hello, hello.
You want to hold him without his... You want to hold him? All right. Okay, he's going to hold his first snake. He's never held or seen a snake in real life. Well, you guys
Oh really, Jessie? Thank you so much.
Are you sure you're ready?
Your favorite is the Nerd Ropes and the Caramel Suckers. Yeah, those are really good too. Hey Lynn, hello, hello. Alright guys, well I'm going to let you guys go for today. I hope you guys have an amazing day and thank you so much for hanging out with me while I packed. You guys saw, we went through so many orders. And if you are wanting to try it out, use code Katie Hart for 25% off. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you so much. Well, I will let you guys go. Have an amazing day. Bye, everybody. See ya.